there, I am Darby Curtis from Dialog Health. I just attended the Zoho conference in Chicago. First impressions, was really impressed just with the organization of all. Felt really put together. Great snacks. That was my first impression, with great food and great snacks. So already we were starting on a high. And then I was also really impressed with not only were the sessions put together, but the one-on-one support provided throughout the sessions was probably the most valuable part of the conference for me. I came in with a list of questions that I wanted to get answered. Titus knows that I did. And I did get them answered. I made sure before I left that I've crossed everything off. And even during one of the sessions that wasn't applicable to me, I was able to go and meet one-on-one with someone and have a very detailed overview of my problems and issues and make sure that every question was answered. So overall, it has been a great investment of time and money that I feel like I have taken away so much more than even my personal investment. And I can't wait to bring back to my company everything I've learned and continue implementing automation and full marketing and full integration with all of our platforms. I would say an 8.5. So to me, that's positive, right? I'm not gonna give it 10. 10 feels like a cop-out, but I do think what I missed a little bit from it was nothing to do with Zoho. I think it was definitely a great overview of your guys' offerings, but I think I would have liked to learn more about the people who were sitting around me, and if anyone around me was facing similar issues, and maybe like have brainstorming sessions with fellow users if I could improve anything. So that's what I was wondering. Like, I don't know the people in front of me, if they were also in healthcare business. I think I would have appreciated that. Perfect, thanks.